दोस्तों वेलकम। फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2026 आने वाला है और इस बार ये इवेंट करोड़ों रुपए कमाने का एक जरिया बनने वाला है। आने वाले 40 दिनों का ये हुजूम एक ऐसी फाइनेंशियल अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो साल में सिर्फ एक बार आती है। While 99% of people will be glued to their screens simply watching the matches, a tiny fraction, the 1% of smart creators, will quietly build channels and cash in on all this global attention. By the end of this video, you will know how to build a highly profitable, copyright-free football explainer channel from scratch using 100% free AI tools. To protect your channel from copyright strikes while maximizing reach, avoid using match footage. We use AI to generate highly engaging stickman explainer videos that keep the focus on storytelling. Step 1. सबसे पहले ChatGPT open करें. Type in a prompt asking for 2-word, highly brandable channel names tailored specifically for the football niche. Once you pick a strong name, let's use FIFA Files, stay in that exact same chat. Ask ChatGPT to write an image generation prompt for your channel logo, specifically requesting a stickman style. Next, copy that prompt and bring it over to Google Flow. Paste your text, and before you hit generate, lock your visual dimensions. Click the button for a 1:1 aspect ratio to ensure it fits standard logo parameters. When you find a logo you like, always select the 2K upscaling option for your final download. A blurry profile picture looks amateurish on larger screens. Setting up this clean, cohesive branding right away separates your channel from low-effort spam. It signals to viewers that you run a professional page, earning their trust from the very first click. Step 2. The script. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for 10 unique, fact-based explainer video concepts. Focus on evergreen historical topics rather than fleeting daily match highlights, so your videos keep generating views for months. Look at this photo of Japan celebrating their victory past a completely stunned German team. This specific topic, the greatest World Cup upsets, has incredible dramatic visual potential, so we will use it as our main example today. ध्यान रखें दोस्तों, basic AI scripts अक्सर बहुत slat लगते हैं. If the pacing feels robotic, viewer retention will drop immediately. You must switch to Claude AI for the actual writing process. To train Claude, find 3 high-performing scripts from successful sports channels and paste them into the chat. This teaches the AI proper pacing and structure. Then instruct it to write your script by pulling deep, fact-checked historical research. This specific pre-training step ensures your final text reads naturally. It prevents the flat tone common to AI generation, keeping the audience hooked to your narrative. Step 3 is audio. Copy the finalized text from Claude and open 11 Labs. याद रखें, YouTube उन चैनल्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करता है जो हाई क्वालिटी और ओरिजिनल लगते हैं। स्टैंडर्ड AI वॉइसेस अक्सर लो एफर्ट स्पैम की तरह साउंड करती हैं, जिसकी वजह से मोनेटाइजेशन रिव्यूज में मसला आ सकता है। Instead, use the search filter to find a premium, documentary-style voice. Listen to a few previews, select the one that sounds the most authoritative, paste your script in, and download the audio file. An expressive, human-sounding voiceover proves to the algorithm that your content has actual quality. It is a direct, determining factor in whether your channel meets YouTube standards for monetization. Step 4. Visuals. Head back to your ChatGPT window. Tell it to break your final script down and generate a specific stickman-style image prompt for every single line of dialogue. Take the prompt for scene 1, bring it over to Google Flow, and generate your very first image. This establishes your baseline character design. To ensure your character looks identical in the next shot, use this specific feature. Look at the interface. Click the Upload Reference Image button and select your baseline character. Now repeat that workflow. Copy the prompt for the next line, keep the reference image active, hit generate, and download. Follow this exactly until you have a visual for every line in your script. Maintaining strict visual consistency prevents your video from looking like random AI spam. When the art style stays locked in, the audience remains completely immersed in your story. Step 5 is assembly. CapCut open करें और अपना 11 Labs का audio track और Google Flow की सारी images वहाँ timeline में import कर ले. Drag images onto the timeline above your voice track. Trim each block to snap exactly to audio cues, changing pictures when new ideas are introduced. To avoid a static presentation, drop a subtle camera shake effect over the entire timeline.
If you want to take it a step further, you can run specific still frames through Meta AI to apply complex frame-by-frame animations, but the subtle shake is the core requirement. Applying continuous, subtle motion to still images tricks the viewer's brain into perceiving a much higher production value. It keeps their eyes tracking the screen, increasing your overall audience retention. And here is the final product. Notice how the professional voiceover, consistent stickman artwork, and slight camera movement blend seamlessly into a high-quality video. देखा दोस्तों, आपका प्रोफेशनल कॉपीराइट-फ्री एक्सप्लेनर बिल्कुल तैयार है और अब सीधा YouTube पर अपलोड होने के लिए रेडी है. The financial stakes for this niche are massive, and the competition right now is low. Open these tools and start building your channel today to take advantage of this window. If you get stuck on any of these steps, drop your questions in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe, because I'll be sharing more full-stack AI automation workflows. Taking action today turns a 40-day global event into a permanent, evergreen income stream. Good luck!